Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to redirect a domain to another domain in cPanel. So at first go to your cPanel and here search redirect. Click on redirect. Here I am going to add permanent type. My domain is condel.xyz. And for example I am going to add this in my redirects too, and then click on add. So the redirect has been added. Click on go back. Now let's search condel.xyz. And here you can see the output. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.